Hi buddy, have you get your vaccine second jab?
No. Even the first jab also not yet.
Oh, it is too bad. Our vaccination process is too slow.
Not really. You see, they have tried their best and changed the biggest sprint for me. But it's still bent.
Oh, it is unbelievable. Oh yes, you are man of steel. I think the doctor need to use a special spring made of krypton, right?
Forget about my vaccine. How about yours? Are you coming here for your first dose?
I am even worse. They said I can't have vaccine, but... You see, they said I am the main suspect for the evolved variant species Lambda.
Ha.
Ha, fly so high.